Welcome everyone to English Easy Talk podcast. Today we're discussing a problem millions of learners face. You understand English movies, videos, and podcasts. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Why does this happen? Let's find out together.
Hello everyone. We're so happy you're here today. This topic is extremely common and very important. Many learners think they are bad at English, but the truth is very different. Stay with us, because this episode can change your learning journey.
Let's start with a simple question. Do you understand English when you listen or read? If your answer is yes, you are not a beginner. Your brain already knows English. The real problem is somewhere else.
Exactly. Understanding is a passive skill. Speaking is an active skill and needs training. Many learners only practice listening and reading. They almost never practice speaking. That's where the gap begins.
One major reason is fear. Fear of making mistakes stops people from speaking. They worry about grammar and pronunciation. They want to sound perfect from the beginning, but perfection kills progress.
Mistakes are part of learning any language. Native speakers also make mistakes every day. Speaking badly is better than not speaking at all. Confidence grows only through practice. Fear disappears when action starts.
Another reason is translating in your head. You think in your native language first. Then you try to translate into English. This process is slow and confusing, so your speaking freezes.
The solution is thinking directly in English. Start with simple words and sentences. Don't translate every sentence. Train your brain to react in English. This takes time, but it works.
Many learners watch too many videos, but they don't speak after watching. Learning without output is incomplete. English is not only knowledge, it's a skill you must use.
You need active practice every day. Repeat sentences out loud. Pause videos and answer questions. Talk to yourself in English. Your mouth needs training, not just your ears.
Vocabulary is another hidden issue. You recognize many words when listening, but you can't recall them while speaking. That's called passive vocabulary. Speaking needs active vocabulary.
To activate vocabulary, use words in sentences. Don't just memorize word lists. Create short stories with new words. Speak them again and again. Usage turns knowledge into skill.
Grammar fear is also a big blocker. Learners stop mid-sentence to think about grammar. This breaks fluency completely. Fluency comes before accuracy. Grammar improves naturally with speaking.
Children don't learn grammar rules first. They speak, make mistakes, and improve. You should follow the same path. Speak freely and fix mistakes later. Communication is more important than correctness.
Another problem is lack of environment. Many learners don't live in English-speaking countries. They think they can't improve without traveling. But that's not true anymore. The internet is your environment.
You can create an English environment at home. Change your phone language to English. Follow English content daily. Join speaking groups online. Environment is created, not found.
Pronunciation. Anxiety is very common. People worry about their accent. They want to sound like natives. This pressure stops them from speaking. Accent is not the enemy.
Clear communication matters more than accent. Every accent is acceptable. Even native speakers have different accents. Focus on clarity, not perfection. Your accent shows your learning journey.
Many learners practice English silently. They read, listen, and write only. But speaking needs muscle memory. Your mouth must get used to sounds. Silence won't build fluency.
Read aloud every day. Shadow native speakers from podcasts. Record your voice and listen. It feels uncomfortable at first, but discomfort means growth.
Another issue is unrealistic expectations. People want to speak fluently in 1 month. When it doesn't happen, they quit. Language learning is a long journey. Consistency beats speed.
Small daily practice brings big results. 10 minutes of speaking every day matters. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. Progress is personal.
Listening alone doesn't create speaking ability. You must respond actively, answer questions out loud, predict what speakers will say, engage with the content.
Interactive learning is the key. Turn passive time into active practice. Speak with videos and podcasts. Use pause and repeat techniques. Train reaction speed.
Confidence grows with repetition. The more you speak, the easier it gets. The first steps are always hard, but they are necessary. Fluency is built, not born.
Celebrate small wins. Every sentence spoken is progress. Don't wait to feel ready. Speaking makes you ready. Action creates confidence.
Let's talk about mindset. Many learners think they are bad at English. This belief becomes reality. Your mindset shapes your results. Change your inner dialogue.
Tell yourself, I am learning, not I am bad. Language is a skill, not talent. Anyone can learn with practice. Believe before you achieve.
Speaking partners help a lot. You don't need perfect partners. You need supportive ones. Both can learn together. Growth happens through interaction.
Find people at your level. Don't fear judgment. Everyone struggles in the beginning. Mistakes create connection. Learning together is powerful.
Let's discuss thinking speed. Understanding is fast, speaking is slow. That's normal for learners. Speed improves with repetition. Patience is essential.
Speak slowly and clearly. Speed comes later. Native speakers also slow down sometimes. Fluency is not rushing, it's smooth communication.
Another mistake is memorizing scripts only. Real conversations are unpredictable. You must practice flexible speaking, not robotic answers. Language is alive.
Use ideas, not memorized sentences. Learn patterns, not full scripts. Practice expressing opinions. Ask and answer questions. Train real-life speaking.
Mistakes should be feedback, not failure. Each mistake shows what to improve. Avoiding mistakes avoids learning. Progress needs errors. Welcome them.
Write down common mistakes. Practice correct versions. Don't feel ashamed. Even teachers make mistakes. Learning never ends.
Let's talk about daily habits. Speaking once a week is not enough. Daily exposure builds fluency. Short sessions are effective. Consistency matters most.
Create a simple speaking routine. Morning self-talk. Evening summary in English. One topic per day. Habits create results.
Technology makes speaking easier today. AI tools can help a lot. You can practice anytime, without fear or judgment. Use tools wisely.
AI is a practice partner, but humans are still important. Use both together. Balance technology and real conversation. Smart learning wins.
Understanding without speaking is incomplete learning. Speaking completes the circle. Don't stay silent forever. Your voice matters. Use it.
Every learner can speak English. You just need the right method and the right mindset. Start today, not tomorrow. Your future self will thank you.
Let's summarize the main reasons: fear, translation, lack of practice, grammar obsession, low confidence, and unrealistic expectations.
And the solutions are simple. Speak daily, accept mistakes, think in English, stay consistent.
If you understand English, you're already successful. Speaking is the next step. Don't stop halfway. Finish what you started. Fluency is waiting.
Your journey is valid. Your pace is okay. Your voice deserves to be heard. English is a tool for connection. Use it freely.
This topic connects with millions of learners. You are not alone. Everyone faces this challenge. The difference is action. Choose action.
Speak today even imperfectly. That's how fluency begins. Small steps every day. Big change over time. Trust the process.
Thank you for listening to English Easy Talk podcast. We hope this episode helped you. Remember, understanding is not enough. Speaking is the goal. Keep practicing.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment about your experience. What stops you from speaking English? We'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning. Keep speaking.